1. Drink more water. If you want to go on a kidney cleansing fast, the safest way to do it is just to increase the amount of water you drink. 2. Eat less refined foods. Help out your kidneys by cutting out refined and high-sodium foods. Refined carbohydrates that you should try to limit include sweets, chocolate, cake, biscuits, and sugary drinks. Other refined foods are white breads and pasta. 3. Try an apple juice cleanse. If you want a short-term method that may help cleanse your kidneys, you can attempt a fluid-only fast. One method claims that consuming half a gallon of apple juice and half a gallon of distilled water a day can help cleanse your kidneys and pass kidney stones. 4. Consider the lemonade diet. An alternative fluid cleanse is known as the lemonade diet. This requires you to drink a concoction of 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/10 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 to 2 cups of pure water. 5. Try watermelon. Another fasting technique cited by some as a way to cleanse your kidney involves consuming a lot of watermelon. You can buy between 20 and 100 pounds of watermelon and then try to eat it throughout the day while regularly emptying your bladder. 6. Consider an herbal cleanse. An alternative to the lemonade diet is drinking a specially made herbal tea. This tea involves soaking a 1/4 cup of hydrangea root, gavel root, and marshmallow root in 10 cups of cold water. Leave it overnight and then add some boiled parsley before bringing the whole mixture to a boil and allowing it to simmer for 20 minutes.